Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be covering QNT USD. Now, I absolutely love QNT, and it seems like you guys do too, because it's always my top performing videos if I do a technical analysis on it. Now, I did think QNT was going to be bearish. I didn't take a trade on it. If you guys watched that previous video, I told you guys I'm not confident in the market. I'm not confident in any moves right now, and I was actually bearish to the downside to these key levels of 73 and 64. See those acting as some support and resistance levels. We actually jump over to the 4 hour. I was actually looking at this wedge pattern, and we had a nice false breakout to the downside and moved higher. We absolutely ripped. We had a nice bounce and ripped up 71%. I don't know about you, but that would have been a killer trade. I would have been happy with that. Some people love that after 5 years of investing. But if you could have caught that in a week, whew, you're doing wonders. Now, and trading is not that simple though. I would have loved to catch this. We were talking about it up in here, up somewhere in here, and I was saying I don't like it. These up lower wicks, very scary with the overall market. Anything can happen still. I was just letting you guys know, okay, if we break lower, these are the levels that we're going to find resistance, and you could find the orders. Boom, 85, 73, and 64. Those are still good levels to watch out for if we do come down and continue lower. The whole crypto market is speculative with Russia going to Ukraine. Again, anything is possible. Now, where do I think Quant will stop? Quant's been ripping up, still high volume. If we actually go over to the 4 hour, let's go ahead and do some volume price analysis. We have very high volume, low spread with an upper shadow. High volume, green candle, don't break the previous high. Now we're seeing a selling pressure, and I would like to see Quant come back down and hold really 148, 150. That would give me a good indication that we're coming up and retesting this trend line. Let's go ahead and jump over to the daily here. That would give me a really good indication that we're actually jumping up to this trend line. We still haven't come back and retest. Well, I said in the last video, if we do break to the upside, we are going to need to come back and retest. We never came back and retested. I do think we're going to come back and retest more. As always, let's go ahead and find the low. Let's say this is the high. Don't think this is the high, but we're going to go ahead and estimate around 83. We can see that this is a very, very key level in this area. Again, it's probably going to be right before 80, 180, right before 183, because people sell into this area. They don't sell right on the mark. The smart money leaves faster. So a nice pullback would be around 125 to 110 to 125. This right in this OTE zone on this trend line. And that is where I'm looking for a nice higher low for QNT for a potential good entry. Now, if we found the zone. We want to get in this zone. Next, you look for confirmation patterns. Maybe a nice double bottom. You see a double bottom? Okay, then you look inside of that pattern. Now, in that pattern, you see a hammer candle possibly increasing volume. Boom. There you go. You have the hammer candle, which is a reversal. Then you have volume indicating that a lot of strong buying pressure is coming in that area. There's a wall of buying that's supporting that level. So everything can push up. There's keys. You just dive deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper into a certain zone. And that is how you trade. I'm not trying to trade. I am trying to trade. I'm becoming a professional day trader, but I'm not trying to trade cryptocurrencies. I want to invest in crypto. All of these cryptocurrencies are amazing. If I'm looking to trade, I would be trading lower cap coins. Not micro caps, but around low to mid cap coins. Really, we really have to see if Quant is going to continue to push up, if we're going to find resistance on this trend line, if we're going to pull back to the 117 level. 117 is a stupid good buy for QNT. Anything under 100 for QNT was an absolute steal. QNT has lower supply than Bitcoin. They're going to be a supply shock. They're like the operating system of the blockchain, of the crypto, the whole entire crypto network. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.